Hi, it's me, Yousuf. I'm here for my brother Jimale Ahmed. We come Mogadishu, Somalia. We come long the way from Somalia to India to Hyderabad to get treatment. My brother, he was suffering ankle fusion. They have done surgery in Somalia like before, so the leg got infected. So we decided to come Hyderabad. So when we come Hyderabad, like it takes like long time, to get the best hospitals. When we have done like when we are searching for like which one we will choose, we choose Apollo Hospital. When we come Apollo, it takes also like which doctor you will choose. We choose Dr. KJ Reddy. So now I think after 2 days we are going back to Somalia. So I'm here to say thank you for your kind. Thank you, Dr. KG, the way that you treat us. You patient, like everything you have done. Like we want to say thank you. Like also like you help us a lot. You help us a lot because and doctor, he have done 2 surgeries. Also, I want to say thank you, Apollo Hospital. Thank you, Dr. KG Reddy. Also, like I want to say thanks for the team that is working for under the Dr. KG and the nurses and the doctors, everyone in the hospital and Apollo Hospital. So I want to say thank you for the treatment for the patient. So we are happy.
bismillahi raxmaan raxiim magacayga waa Jimale Ahmed Maxamed waxaan joogaa dalka Hindiya gobolka Hyderabad waxaan u imaaday caafimaad lugta bidixda ayaan dhaawac iga soo gaaray dalka Soomaaliyaan ka imaaday Hyderabad waxaan u imaaday caafimaadkii aan imaaday dhaqaatiir badan iyo istaalo badan aan la kulmay ugu dambeyn istaalka Apollo ayaan ninka la yiraahdo ayaan imaaday dhakhtarka oo ii qabtay hawsha aan u baahnay Dr. KJ Reddy ayaan la kulmay wuxuuna ii qabtay shaqo fiican lugtii aan u imaaday shaqo fiican buu ka qabtay aad iyo aad buu u mahadsan yahay u mahad celinaynaa dhaqaatiirta joogtana KJ Reddy qof cidii lafaha u socoto oo istaal dhakhtar lafaha rabtana KJ Reddy la soo xiriirto marka insha Allah taala sidaas aan leeyahay assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This is Jimale from Somali. He had problems with his ankle, left ankle, multiple surgeries in Somali. He was not able to walk. He came in a wheelchair with pain, big wound on the leg, which was not healing up, infected, grossly infected with the metal inside. And he's been here for last few weeks. Initially, we took the metal out, implants out, cleaned it, closed the wound. Once wound completely healed up, we fused his ankle. Now he's able to walk independently, pain-free, and he's quite happy and going back to Somali in a couple of days. So infected fractures, sometimes difficult to treat, but if you manage in a successful way, in 2-stage procedure, they do well ever.